So what is it actually showing? This is the cabin inside, right?
Yeah, this one is the cabin. So, when the audio is disturbing you while driving, you can just shift it to rear.
Hello and welcome to another vlog. This is Prerna Motors near Lalbagh in Bangalore, wherein this is the Tigor EV,
Yeah.
the most awaited Tigor EV's vlog, which I was waiting from a very long time to do its vlog. So this is the top end variant here. यहाँ पे जो खड़ा है जो Tigor EV, and we have our Vivek ji with us.
Hi sir, welcome to Prerna Motors.
Thank you so much. So Vivek ji is actually helping us here. He is the executive actually helping us in the vehicle's details, mostly on the vehicle details, and also we will be doing a proper full-on test drive of this vehicle. So let's go on with the vlog.
So this comes in like normal thing only. It comes in base, mid, and top end. So in the base variants and all, you won't be getting much interiors.
Okay.
But when you come to the exterior parts, almost everything is similar compared to the base version and the top end.
So just to know a little bit more about the vehicle battery also, sir. This is a what is the battery capacity of this vehicle?
So lithium-ion batteries. So it takes 8.5 hours to charge at home in 3.3 kilowatts socket.
Okay.
When you charge outside the station, it will take nearly 59 minutes for 0 to 80%.
So just to revise a little bit here, there is 26 kilowatt battery which is provided on the Tigor EV. So that was about the battery and the charging details about the vehicle. And the very beautiful and very interesting question from all other viewers of ours would be, what would be the range it will provide? How many kilometers can be driven if it is completely charged, sir?
So one charge, it can be driven up to 220 to 230 kilometers.
220 to 220. It is actually Vivek ji is saying the actual practical range of the vehicle, but if you say the ARIA claim of this vehicle is going to be 315 kilometers. So let's do a thing. So let's go on a car tour for now. So as you can see, this is the front bumper, um, and this is how it looks. It has its Tata badging here. This is a top variant, so it has its fog lamps also, no, sir? Yeah. So the what about the wheels here, sir? Is that a wheel cap or the
It's not wheel cap, sir. This one is 15-inch hyper style wheels.
hyper-share
You'll be
wheels?
getting 15-inch hyper
And
style.
only the front wheels has the this one, right?
Yeah. You'll be getting front wheel disc brake, and the rear wheel you'll be getting drum brakes.
Okay. These are the tail lamps. You have your EV badging and the Tigor and the Ziptron technology Ziptron technology. It's for the motor, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Sir, can we see the boot space?
This one
Is
is
the
the
home
portable
charger.
adapter, so you can charge in home.
Yeah, and you can see this has a 15 amp socket wala pin, or यहाँ पे you can see that the this is a spare wheel which is provided beside this only. This is the instrumentation cluster. This is the infotainment system. This is Harman speakers provided, 4 speakers, na sir, for all the 4 doors.
Four speakers, you'll be getting 2 tweeters.
Okay, these are the gears which has the sports drive mode, sports mode, drive mode, and neutral and reverse. And it also has reverse parking camera, which will show you this. This doesn't. Also has a vanity mirror. Oh my god, this is a crazy thing. This doesn't have. Okay, this also has a. The co-passenger also has a vanity mirror. This driver also has a vanity mirror. You have handles here, handles here, handles here, and the seating. Uh, I have better under thigh support also. I'm actually 5'7", so I have better head room also, and the AC through is actually crazy in this.
So in the base variant, you won't be getting the push start button, sir.
Okay.
So you'll be getting the normal key one.
Okay.
So when you come to the top end, you'll be getting push start button, and the
Okay.
instrument cluster will be remain same.
Mm-hmm.
So in this, you'll be seeing drive modes.
Okay.
So this one is the modes which you change. So if
I
you
just change to
change the
neutral,
neutral, it will
change
be
to
changing
neutral.
neutral.
Okay. This
So
is how I used
yeah,
to change the.
you'll be getting indication here also. So the light indication will be there for
Yes,
you.
sir. It is coming actually. Yeah. Okay.
So it shows the average battery percent and the
Okay.
range which covers for that battery.
So, so the odometer is saying 8,655, which is completed. The range for 55% remaining is 106
Yeah.
kilometers can be
Mhm.
covered. Okay. That is quite interesting. So it also shows how much can be covered also. So that is one thing. Um, so yes, sir. So does it have any other controls, like does it have cruise control in this? Which
So
is
in this you won't be getting cruise control.
okay.
You'll be getting instrument like media controls in this. So
Okay.
volume button, volume mute, and
Okay.
you'll be getting voice command also in this. So you can connect your phone and you can
Uh-huh.
use voice command here. So
Okay.
you'll be getting call accept button, call reject button in the left side of your steering wheel.
Okay.
So
Okay.
orange you not need to stress more. So you'll
Okay.
be getting left horn also, right horn also. So
Okay,
like
we
both,
also get left
yeah,
horn and right horn. Also, we not stress it on the center
yeah.
itself.
You'll
So
be
that is
getting
an
right
added on
right side also, like
nice
that's.
thing which is provided
Mhm.
here.
And you'll be getting steering alignment also. So you can adjust your steering from.
Okay, okay, steering alignment. But
Mhm.
this doesn't have telescopic, right?
Yeah, it doesn't have telescopic. Only
Okay,
steering is there.
okay. So this is the club box
Okay,
which is
this one
here.
is the cool glow box,
This
and
is the cool glove box.
yeah.
Oh, nice. Okay, so once the AC is on,
Mhm.
so whatever is kept inside will also get cooler. So that is an
You'll
added.
be getting 7-inch infotainment system by Arman.
Okay,
So in this you can play your Android Auto, Apple CarPlay also.
okay, okay.
So you can connect your Bluetooth over here and revert parking assistant. This one is the main thing which everyone needs. So every time, not only in reverse mode,
Mhm.
in driving mode also you can switch on this camera. So you'll be
Okay,
getting
so I
guidance
am
over
in
this.
drive mode now. So
Mhm.
how do I switch on the camera, sir?
So there is parking assistant here. So
Okay.
you need to press that. So you'll be getting guidance in this. So
Oh, okay. So I'll be getting guidance also while driving
mhm.
mode. Okay, that is actually a very good feature provided. So how do I change this to normal mode? I
So
just have to cancel this.
you need to cancel this.
This also has cup holders. If you come closer, you have cup holders even here. You also have seat belts, and it is. I have proper leg room also. If you can see, I am just 5'7", but the leg room for even of a taller person like 5'9" or 5'10" also will be uh, possible here. तीन आदमी के लिए तो it would not be that congested if a person is like me, a bit lean and sporty, and I am calling myself sporty. So yeah, probably comfortable also. So as you can see, यहाँ पे भी tweeters are here. These are the speakers. Family के लिए बहुत सही है कार, and 26 kilowatt battery, 240 mileage with AC, without AC थोड़ा सा difference होगा. But in case if you consider that way, right, you're getting actually a sedan, a compact sedan for that cost. So first thing first is always fasten your seat belt. Zero, you can not hear, only the AC sound is actually what is coming from here. इससे ज़्यादा तो sound ही नहीं आ रहा है. I mean, you can see, and if you can see the controls, right? I mean, the steering wheel control is um, crazy here. We'll check the sports mode also in case if I get some room in the road. We'll check the sports mode also.
So when you get to when you change the different modes, so
Okay.
the performance will be obviously more than what you are driving now.
Okay. So you mean to say that the performance of the vehicle changes when you go to the sports mode
Mhm.
and go to the drive mode also, right?
Yeah. So now the AC is on, so you can see the range. It's showing 105. So
Okay.
when you
Can you come a bit closer? You can. I'll just show it. Okay.
turn off the AC, so the range will differ. So
Okay. Okay. So that is actually another feature or a kind of it'll recalculate
yeah.
the range and actually do that. So that is also um, so as you can see, it is all the dynamics, right? So once you switch on the AC, it is definitely going to consume. अगर पेट्रोल गाड़ी था तो from petrol it will consume. अगर ये this is an electric vehicle, so it will consume it from the your battery itself. So this also has TPMS, so tire pressure monitoring system also it has been provided, right? Okay. So If you come a bit closer, viewers, I will just show you. This is the key which is being provided. This is lock, unlock. This is boot open, and as you can see, this will glow up all the lamps actually. So, and it has a Tata badging here. So that was about the key. A few more questions to you on the what is the torque provided by the vehicle, Sarji?
So it's 170 Newton meter torque. This one.
Okay, okay. Any okay, that's a 170 Newton meter torque. That is काफी है, बहुत काफी है. Even if you have any elevations also, गाड़ी I mean fast से चढ़ जाएगी. So that is also a thing. And as I'm a sports utility, I mean I'm an SUV driver. मेरे पास तो Nexon EV है, and I'm not finding any difference in driving this vehicle. I mean, like the comfort, the seat comfort, the this I can say this is completely value added for me with the budget of whatever they are providing the vehicle. Okay, level 1,
So
level
you
2
can
and level
test
3
the
modes.
sport mode here.
Okay. Okay, so I am in sports mode.
Yeah.
As you can see, I just read 0 to, it's not 0 to 60, I just read 70 or 60 in fraction of seconds. This is crazy. Oh my god, this much of torque, I think you can overtake a truck or a slow moving vehicle in the left or right. Uh, but make sure when you overtake, you probably overtake with a proper indication like what you are actually doing. So that's my advice. And crazy sports mode, I can say. So one more thing to add here, so the complete range, I mean like 240 to 250 kilometers or whatever you get it, whatever the customers are claiming, that is all inclusive of a normal drive. It also depends on your driving pattern, like how do you drive the vehicle. If you are actually doing a very hard acceleration, very hard braking, you are only driving in sports mode, I don't think you will reach that type of mileage, or you'll not reach that average, which I can say. And also it I can say that also due to the regenerative power, right, you are getting that numbers of mileage. So if you consider a petrol vehicle, right, I put a petrol of 1 liter, probably the vehicle is only going to give me some 12 to 13 kilometers, and if it is an automatic vehicle, it is just going to give me a 10-kilometer mileage. In case if that is the thing, if regeneration of 15 to 17 kilometers, what it is going to provide me, it is more than a liter of petrol, if you consider it in that way.
So it will be costing like 1 rupee per kilometer, like less
Yes.
than 1 rupee, but average we take like 1 rupee per kilometer. So when you come to petrol engines, it will be costing like 10 rupees per kilometer.
10 rupees per
So
kilometer.
it's 10 times lesser than
Exactly. 1:10 ratio of what you're going to actually spend. So I keep saying this in my most of the vlogs. So most of the electric vehicles are a one-time investment. You invest it one time, your electricity bill is only what you are going to pay.
So as I told, this one is the guidance line.
Okay.
So it will be indicating like how much near is the
Okay,
behind
the rear vehicle, right? Okay. So can we check the speakers here, like how well the speakers are?
Yeah.
This is a Harman system, right? Provided. So what is it actually showing? This is the cabin inside, right?
Yeah, this one is the cabin. So when the audio is disturbing you while driving, you can just shift it to rear. So it just plays in the rear.
Okay. Probably because we are wearing mics, that would not be captured so well. But I can actually hear that the volume is actually shifted backside, rear side.
So you can just shift it to front also.
Oh,
so
that's
it will
a
be
crazy.
playing in front. So if you want to reset that, just
It will come to the center thing.
And you'll be getting equalizer in this also. So you can adjust the bass, mid and reverse.
The drive quality of the vehicle is like, what do I say? This is like I'm sitting in a premium vehicle, no sound, absolutely no sound from outside. a very minimal sound from outside, I can say, but no sound from the motor. Okay, and there is no disturbance at all. This vehicle, along with the AC, I think you can go on for your daily commutes if you're going for office or whatever it is. So this was mostly to cover about the range of the vehicle, the costing of the vehicle. As Sarji said, it costs between, how much is it?
It starts from 12 lakhs,
Okay,
like the showroom price.
ex-showroom price is 12.49.
Yeah.
Okay, it starts from there, and 13 point changes it. So that was about the costing, the infotainment system, and everything internally about the vehicle. So what is the waiting period of this vehicle, Sachi, if you book the
So
vehicle? And
waiting period is like 1.5 months, sir.
one
Like,
and a half months of the vehicle. And one more thing to ask here. So what are the colors available in this vehicle?
in this you'll be getting the Arizona blue.
Okay, Arizona blue, which we are actually driving now.
This one is the teal blue, sir.
Okay, there is Arizona blue and also teal blue. Okay, so teal blue is what we are driving now. All right.
And you'll be getting white color,
Okay.
white and gray.
Okay, white and
Gray.
gray color. So all the colors are available in all the version of the vehicle, or it's only the XZ Lux?
Color is optional, so like you will be getting from the base variant only. Like you will be having the color choosing
Okay.
options from the base variant.
Okay. So this is the charging socket in this. This is the AC home charger, and this is the DC fast charger. Uh, a combination of CCS2, what is the code provided, and as Vivek ji said, that it takes 9.5 hours to charge completely from 0 to 100, and 59 minutes to charge from 0 to
100 in the power station.
at the DC fast charging stations, right?
So this one is the puncture repair kit, sir. As I told you earlier, this
Okay.
one is the puncture repair kit.
One is
You,
that you have to connect this to the 12 volt
you need to
supply here.
connect this to the power supply here.
Okay.
So after you pour this liquid, so the
Okay, the
air get
liquid will be circulated inside the tire along with the air pressure.
Yeah.
So that's how it will actually fill the puncture place actually. So this has to go here, and this will show the tire pressure monitoring also. And what is that other end which has to go inside the tire, sir? So this is the end,
so
right?
this one.
Okay. But just to mention here, this is not provided by Tata with the vehicle. This is an added on this one. Like we have.
Yes, sir.
This is an exclusive of the ex-showroom price. Fine. So this was about the vehicle, the complete description about the vehicle, the from the tire pressures, from tires to what all features are provided by the vehicle, also the infotainment system, and how was the I mean the drive mode, the sports mode, and also we showed something new, that is the tire mobility kit, which is provided by Tata Motors here. And so this was the complete explanation about the Tigor EV, what mileage you get, what is the pricing, and thanks to Vivek ji. Thank you so much in explaining all the details about it. So let's end the vlog here. So thank you so much for watching, and leave a comment if you have something to say about the vehicle, if you have any changes in the vehicle which you found yourself, or you're finding something difference in the mileage or the range, whatever you're getting in your own vehicle if you have Tigor EV. And you can also leave your comment below in saying if you want to collaborate with me or something like that, you can connect with me in the description down below. So that was about the vlog. So sayonara, meet you in another vlog. Bye, take care.